Alright. Oh. You gotta put this sucker back in 2-wheel. There we go. We need to keep that thing in 4-wheel high. We were in 4-wheel low because we helped those poor saps out. And they gave me a 5 or 2. So, you know, doing it for free just to help people out. These guys, they're all happy that I came in and helped. Now I get out of this little park and go see if we can find some more people to help. Alright. And that's how it's done. These guys are all happy now. They're out. They're gonna probably have to figure out another way to get their thing done. I think these guys are next now, huh? Oh man. Oh no, I think they're good. Alright. Well, onward. Let's see what else we can find out here in this winter disaster. Alright, doesn't look like much, so stay tuned.